Well, good morning. Here we are, attempt 3 at pouring concrete. It is 5:30 in the morning on Christmas Eve, and I'm really hoping we get it done today. Sorry the light's so terrible, it's actually still dark outside. See, look. Yep, you can see nothing. But yeah, so we've got a light tower here, and we're hopefully gonna see some concrete today. The guys should be arriving any minute now to set up the light tower, and hopefully we'll see some concrete trucks rolling in soon. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, so update. They just got notice that they are loading the trucks, and they are on their way. So we should have concrete trucks rolling in probably in the next 20 minutes or so. And we've got the GoPro set up, kind of watch the whole process, and we'll kind of film each bit along the way. So no sooner did I turn off the camera and our first concrete truck has arrived. So there she is. Our first set of concrete. We're about to go in the hole. So right as they're wrapping up this behind me, the second truck showed up right over there. It's probably too bright for y'all to see, but the second truck is here. We're moving and shaking now, baby. All right, so this right here is why concrete work is so flippin' hard. Because basically they have to unload all of that and then pull it to where it needs to be. It's a lot of work, it takes a lot of guys, but these guys are doing awesome. All right, I want to show you guys just the sheer speed at which this happens. I mean, it's been less than an hour, and come take a look at the pad already. Look at that. All right, guys, we're about halfway through. Let me show you how it's looking.
Look at their boobs. They're so mucky. This is like a dream come true for you, right?
Yeah, me too. Daddy too.
Yep.
You a happy boy?
I'm a very happy boy.
That's the last concrete truck, buddy. What do you think? Was that fun?
Yeah. Aw, why are you leaving?
Look, it's all full.
We are done pouring. 120 yards of concrete were just laid in here. They flattened everything out. They're gonna kind of do the floats over there and then do all the finishing stuff to make it super smooth and super nice. So it's looking good though.
In order to help the concrete cure more slowly, we are going to set up a sprinkler with this automatic watering timer that's battery operated. So we'll stick that on the hose with some sprinklers. The temperatures are supposed to be in the upper 60s the next couple of days. So it's not hot enough that we absolutely must have it, but having extra water on the pad will help with some of those cracking issues that sometimes happens when it dries too quickly.
Come on. There it is. The shovel was closer than the wrench.
Okay. Well, you're using your noggin.
Or something. There we go. That relieved all the pressure off of it. Nice. Good. Now let's go hook up the sprinklers.
All right. Look, it's an unboxing video.
I don't want to be known for that. Nope. I mean, not that I have a problem with unboxing videos. I don't want a sprinkler system that we got at Home Depot to be the first thing I ever unbox on YouTube.
Close, actually, but
Okay,
no.
Lowe's. All right. Well, I gotta say, if I had to give the packaging a rating, give it a solid 6.5 and a half. It's my non-expert opinion.
You throwing things?
That's why I can't have nice things. I would give the assembly somewhere between a Lego kit and IKEA furniture.
Solid. You want it to go in a complete circle?
Probably. Yeah, do that. Or just pull them off.
No, you pull the metal thing all the way up, I think. There.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Easy as pie. Although,
is
if you've
pie
ever
easy?
made pie,
Pie's not easy.
it's really not.
Easy as cupcakes? Cupcakes
I
are
would say
pretty
cupcakes
easy.
are harder than pie.
What? No, you just pour everything in the mixer, turn it on, and pour into cupcake liners. That's not difficult.
Yeah, but then you have all the cleanup.
Not if you use silicone baking cups.
That's true. Alright, so we got one.
Okay, quick side note. If you've never used silicone muffin liners, buy some.
This is
They
not the-
make life...
There's not the time for that.
It's so true, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
Okay,
It really is.
see, he agrees with
I
me.
can't argue with it.
It's true. So satisfying.
Fun to watch.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I really want to touch it. I can't
Yeah,
wait.
you want just a sec. Yeah, buddy. So we'll go like this. We'll have to go right like that.
Mommy, I'm gonna just wet.
Yeah, push pretty hard. Once you put your hand down, just leave it down, and then we'll push on it. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Hold on. I want to do it right here.
You can do it right there. That's fine. Okay, ready? Push, 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 push as hard as you can, hard as you can. Now straight up. Look at that!
You did it!
Here we go. We've got Eli and Kaylee
Put the date
and Mommy and Daddy.
Watch this, buddy.
What?
This thing is cool. It's gonna make it super, super smooth.
Just watch. Let's start going.
That's amazing!
Okay, so we are wrapping up. They got a couple more minutes left, but I've got to get back for Christmas, so I'm taking off because we got a service to go to. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. All right. All right, y'all, I couldn't leave you like that. I did an outro and it just was all kind of bummed out. It's because I'm exhausted. It has been a long day, but we have concrete. It is smooth, it is silky, and it is beautiful. It's a wonderful thing, you guys. It is a thing of beauty, and I'm really excited, super stoked. We're gonna come out here tomorrow and we'll check it, water it, make sure it's all drying right, but it looks amazing. These guys did an incredible job. They're wrapping up a couple of things now, and then we're all heading out of here. So thanks for joining our adventure.
So you can see the transition here. This is going to be where the wall is in that rebar section. And here's our walkway that they smoothed out. Beautiful. So Ricky's about to start up the sprinklers and get this thing nice and wet so that it cures as slowly as possible to prevent as much cracking as possible. Reaching all the way out here to the corners. The whole pad, after about, I don't know, it's probably been about 5 minutes of watering, is completely wet, which is what we want. Looking good.